Hi, Workplace Leadership 101. How to build strong and effective teams. Building strong and effective teams is essential for achieving long-term success. Great leaders foster a supportive and empowering environment through communication, trust, support, and recognition. Here is how to do it. Steps to build strong and effective teams. I believe in you. Help teams members feel confident and trusted. Expressing belief in your team members' abilities boosts their self-confidence and encourages them to take ownership of their task. It shows that you trust them to perform well. Regularly express your belief in their abilities. I trust your judgment. Let them know you have confidence in them. Trusting their judgment empowers team members to make decisions and take initiatives. It reinforces their confidence and decision making abilities. Delegate tasks and decisions, showing trust in their abilities. How are you doing? Show you care about them and not just their work. Genuine concern of team members' well-being build trust and loyalty. It shows that you value them as individuals, not just for their work contribution. Take time to check in their well-being and listen to their concerns. What challenges are you facing? Let them share problems they may need help with. Addressing challenging proactively helps prevent issues from escalating. It shows that you are approachable and willing to support them in overcoming obstacles. Create a safe space for discussing challenging and offering support. What do you need to be successful? Show you want to help them achieve their goals. By asking this question, you demonstrate your commitment to their success and willingness to provide necessary support. It helps identify resources or assistance they may need, provide the resources and support they need to succeed. How can I support your growth? Show you are invested in their career advancement. Supporting team members' professional growth helps them feel valued and motivated. It shows that you are interested in their long-term success and career development. Offer opportunities for learning and professional development. Tell me more about the idea. Encourages them to share and develop their creativity. Encouraging idea sharing fosters a culture of innovation and inclusion. It shows that you value their creativity and are open to new perspectives. Foster an open environment where ideas are welcomed and explored. What do you think we should do? Ask for their ideas and include them in decisions. Involving team members in decision making fosters a sense of ownership and engagement. It values their input and enhances collaborative problem solving. Involve team members in decision making process to value their input. You have got this. Encourages them to handle challenges on their own. Encouraging autonomy helps team members develop problem solving skills and confidence. It shows that you believe in their capabilities to overcome obstacles. Thank you. Show your appreciate their hard work. Recognizing and appreciating hard work is crucial for maintaining morale and motivation. It lets them team members know what their efforts are valued. Constantly acknowledge and thanks team members for their efforts. Let's celebrate. Recognize their contribution and remind them to enjoy the wins. Celebrating success together reinforces positive behavior and team spirits. It acknowledges their hard work and encourages a culture of recognition. Celebrate success and milestone together as a team. Takeaway: by integrating these practices and statement into your leadership approaches, you can create a supportive, motivated, and high performance team. Remember, effective leadership is about building trust, fostering growth, and recognition of unique contribution of each team members. Team, together everyone achieve more. Summary of this presentation. I hope you like it, and so like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.